What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Who's in Your Head by the Jonas Brothers. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double karate kick your grandma's ankles off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be a G minor 7. You're going to bar the entire 10th fret with your index finger, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 12th fret of the D string and your middle finger on the 11th fret of the B string. Then we're going to an F chord. It's going to be, you're going to just press the A string on the 8th fret with your index finger, and then you're going to bar 10th fret on D, G, and B with your ring finger. So you don't have to play the low E or the high E. You're just playing 8, 10, 10, 10. Then we have a C minor bar chord. You're going to bar the entire 8th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 10th fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 10th fret of the D string. And then slide that up 2 frets for a D minor bar chord. Same thing, just bar the entire 10th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 12th fret of the A, pinky finger 12th fret of the D. Now next up, we're going to learn the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern is probably the hardest part for this song, so I'm going to go very slowly. I'm going to break it up into just 2 parts. First part, we're going to start with your G minor 7. That's what it looks like. That's down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. And what I'm doing is, for most of these chords, you're going to be strumming them and then lifting off to mute. That's how you get the like staccato sound. Down, down, down. And then you're going to be muted strumming in between. So down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So that's the first half. The second half of the strumming pattern is going to be, you're going to go to your C minor. It's up, 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 down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're up, and that's what you're taking your hand off the chord when you do that. So up, a muted up strum, down, up, playing the chord, and then lift off to mute. Muted, down, up, strum, down, up, muted, down, up, strum, down, up, muted, down, up. I know that's hella confusing, but here's what it looks like again. So, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, up, muted up strum, down, up. Muted, down, up, strum, down, up, muted, down, up, strum, down, up, muted, down, up. So all together slowly, it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.